Known for many things from activities, destinations, and experiences, most people will tell you the basic tips to get a good trip out of the area. But there are so much more experiences to be had in this amazing travel destination. And you might be wondering, what would that be? So we're here to answer those questions with our travel tips that you've never heard of. So buckle up your seatbelts, get ready for an adventure to Aruba. Tip number 10. Don't miss Flamingo Beach. If you're looking for the most unique venture in Aruba, Flamingo Beach is your best suggestion. It might get a little expensive though, but it's most certainly well worth it. The island is actually owned by the Renaissance Hotel, and if you're a guest there, then you're set. But if you aren't, it might get a little too pricey for you, but surely enough it's worth it. The beach is named for the flamingos which you can actually see on the shore, so you know what you're going in for. Tip number 9. Transportation for your own time. Aruba isn't actually all that big. They really have a great bus system, and the taxis are actually government regulated. But renting a car for yourself gives you control over everything you want to do and see. So take it from us and get yourself a rental car and start exploring this amazing island. Tip number 8. Explore the East. Most of the western side of Aruba is full of beach destinations, while the eastern side is just this amazing desert filled with cacti, aloes, palm trees, and everything that makes you feel like you're not in Aruba. While there are many day tours offering to take you sightseeing, definitely go ahead and grab yourself an ATV or a 4x4 Jeep and start exploring the area. Tip number 7. Explore the national park. While most of the island is actually relatively flat, there's also a national park that has so much sights to see. Go ahead and visit the tourist center and just discover the spots that aren't known to many people. There are a ton of amazing and unique areas like caves, sanctuaries, and even beach coves. Tip number 6. Experience the food. There are tons of restaurants and local shops offered in Aruba, with local food to enjoy. Go ahead, take your pick, and just explore the food cuisine Aruba has for you. From the local shops to the high-end restaurants, there's always something for you to find in this unique island. Tip number 5. Enjoy the beach. The most popular activity in Aruba is for sure swimming in the beaches or just relaxing on the shore. So go ahead and take advantage of the beaches that Aruba has in store. There are a ton of options, and you'll most certainly enjoy everything or anything that you choose. Tip number 4. Tap water is safe water. Aruba certainly has one of the cleanest and safest tap waters anywhere, so take advantage of it. Get yourself a reusable water bottle, load up on water from the tap, and just enjoy the day. You won't have to worry about buying water from convenience stores, and it saves you time looking for them too. Tip number 3. Hop on a boat. Whenever you're in the Caribbean, it's never a bad day to just hop on a boat and go. There are a ton of tours and boats to take your trip on, so go ahead and take your pick. Scuba diving, free diving, swimming, snorkeling, and sightseeing the different islands that make the Caribbean an amazing getaway. So go ahead, hop on, sail away, and enjoy. Tip number 2. Explore the sunken ships. Going off of tip number 3, go ahead and try exploring the sunken ships that are found all around the island. There's amazing untouched wonders that you can discover in these ships that makes the trip to Aruba just all that more worth taking. Put on a pirate hat and go have some fun. Tip number 1. Take in all of Aruba. Aruba isn't just all about the beaches. Although it is one of the highlights of the island, the landscape in Aruba is so unique that you can spend hours just exploring the island without even stepping a foot on a beach. So take our advice, get up, explore, and take in everything that Aruba has to offer. There's an endless list of destinations, activities, and experiences this extravagant destination has to offer. Each and every journey will always fill you with something different and unique. Were there any other traveler tips that we haven't mentioned? Comment down below and we'll be sure to check them out. What are you waiting for then? Gather your travel buddies, buckle in your seatbelts, and get ready for an adventure. And with that, until next time.